Go ahead and click on settings on the Samsung tablet here. There's two ways to do it. If you go ahead and scroll right up to the top here and the update is available, here's where you would find it. But if not, you can go ahead and keep scrolling on the left hand side here until you see the software update option. Click on that. Then go ahead and click on download and install. Now if you have a download here already, it would give you the option to go ahead and download and install. The download has completed, so now let me just go ahead and do the install now. And all you have to do, depending on the speed of your tablet, you just give it a few minutes here. So as you can see here, the installation is ongoing. So again, just give it a few more minutes here. Installation just finished the first part here. Now it's going to go ahead and reboot. And just like that, we've now booted into the operating system here, and that process took about 6 minutes, and that's how you do it here on the Samsung tablet.